Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a GoPro Hero Black 13. Finally I purchased this one, especially on Black Friday. Off season is going on. The original price of this product is 4,000 Danish krona, but Black Friday is providing me offer and discount. I'm purchasing this product just only 3,000 Danish krona, 35,000 INR in between. And this is a bundle, so that's why the expensive. Inside the box, one GoPro device, two batteries, one memory card, and some other stuff. We can see in this box one by one. What is the speciality of this one? I have previous one also, the GoPro Hero 11. You can see it's really worth it to buy the GoPro Hero 13. I'm providing you some of the demonstration comparison of 11 to 13 or 12 to 13. I have 12 one also. So now we can see unboxing of this product close to the camera. So now let's start unboxing. Just simply open the strip. Oh, strip is missing. Inside the box, almost we are receiving that much product. Let's see. First of all, we can go one by one. This is a magic booklet. Inside the box, 64 gigabytes they are providing. I don't know why they providing 64 only. This is the QR code. They are providing some stickers, the magic booklet. If you have no idea how to use, you should how to remove, how to add battery, charge and things. So this one, oh, it's really lightweight and nice, especially in brand. Okay, this way finally they are introducing C to C port. It's nice. Now here the stand, you should use this stand especially on the car or other places. Here the two batteries we are receiving. This year they are providing totally new batteries. The previous model battery and this battery is totally changed, so we are not able to use this battery to 13. So that's why I ordered this bundle one. So we are receiving two batteries, and this side we are receiving two stands. You can fix like this one, like this, perfect, like this. It's amazing. This one is a sticker, so you can fix any of the places, and then you can very easily fix here your GoPro. So these are the product. Finally the GoPro. Your camera must be updated before you can use it, so it's easy. So look at this. This is our product. This time they are introducing something new in the magnetic here. Simply open it and let's see its battery is available or not here. Yes, battery is not available. So let's see. I open now. Before start anything, we just simply add here the memory card as well. So I have 120 gigabytes. So look at this, the black. So here we go with English language, agree, GPS on, off, and you need to scan this QR code and update this one. So I use here my mobile and then scan this QR code. So here I have mobile. I just simply scan this QR code, and here even I have application also. I downloaded. Firstly close this one, connect the camera, and let's see, the camera is connect, peer. Yes, we are peering here. The GoPro camera is connected. Save the name. Yes, again we need spend some time. First time you need to enable the GoPro, so we need to update this one, and the battery is at least greater than 50%. the battery is less than 50%, so that's why I am connecting the power cable, and now the software is updating going on. So we can spend here a couple of minutes to update this software. So if sometimes is not connect this device to your mobile application, so you need to restart your mobile first and then you should try. So I should try the same process, and after that very easily connect the application in your GoPro, and the backup or latest software or update is downloading here. We can wait showing several minutes, and now is updating going on. First time you need to enable the GoPro, so we need to update this one, and the battery is at least greater than 50%. The battery is less than 50%, so that's why I am connecting the power cable of my Mac, and now the software is updating going on. We can spend here a couple of minutes to update this software. So if sometimes is not connect this device to your mobile application, so you need to restart your mobile first and then you should try. So I should try the same process, and after that very easily connect the application in your GoPro, and the backup or latest software or update is downloading here. We can wait couple of minutes here showing several minutes, and now is updating going on. See here. So look at this, almost is done. Now the camera is on here, and the battery is reached, the power is very fast. I just add here the batteries, that time is a 10%, now is a 22% battery is going on, but still okay. The update is completed, and connect the camera again. We can connect here camera, and let's see, camera is here, the camera is gone, save, and now your camera is ready for use. So now connect cloud, and it's easy, no thanks. Let's go. My camera is connected again. So if I open here, look at this, the start. If I press here the mobile, the recording is a stop. It's easy. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.